For this project, we need quite a few materials, but most of them can probably be found around your house. To begin with, we need construction paper. A regular size is just fine. I like to use black, but you could use any color, really. The black shows off the color of the tissue paper. Scraps of tissue paper. So if you have odds and ends in your house, save them, because this is a perfect project for using those things that you thought you never would. Lots of different colors make it even more interesting. Pipe cleaners. We use pipe cleaners for the body. I like the funky pipe cleaners for the antennas. They can also be used for the body to add a little bit more excitement. We're also going to add some sequins, some glitter. The glitter I use is a tempera glitter that has... It's a gel base, so we use it with a paintbrush, clean our brush with water, and we're going to need a stapler, maybe embellish with some sequins, and a glue stick, definitely, for applying the tissue paper. Have some scissors handy, and that should do it.